there, I'm Tova.
I'm Arthur.
We are from Bias Bespoke, and we're going to tell you how to use these pliers. We call them Bevy Interchangeable Pliers for grommets, eyelets, and snap fasteners. What do I want to tell you about them? Well, I want to tell you about how many different things that they can set. They're pretty cool that way. They set more different kinds of things than anything on the market right now.
So that's what included, actually.
They include 100 pieces of eyelets, which are these little
in 5 colors.
cuties right here, and 50 pieces of ring snaps. So these are also 4-part snaps. They look like that.
One is the silver, the other one is antique brass.
And they include the die heads for setting those two things. We also sell die heads separately from this. We also sell die heads for setting all of these different kinds of grommets, which we sell, and these 4-part snaps.
Yeah.
Arthur's going to show you
1,
the satisfying
2, 3,
click
and 4
of the snaps. Boink.
Yeah.
So, now we'll get into it and show you how to use them. First we're going to show you how to set the eyelets that come with the Bevy Interchangeable Pliers. We're going to do it on leather, but you can also use fabric or paper. The first tool to use is this hole punch tool, which we also sell. It's you want to use a size, for these particular grommets, you want to use a hole that's about a size 3.5 or 4 millimeters.
So let's open it and make the hole.
You'll want to mark your hole if you want to be very specific about the hole placement, but we're not being specific about it right now.
So then we're going to take these pliers.
The pliers have a little lock to keep them from opening fully, so you want to squeeze it a little bit and then move the lock out of the way. The lock looks like a little bent arm.
Now it's open.
Now it can open fully.
So then we're going to take the eyelet and put inside the hole. Like
You want to
this.
make sure that the front of the eyelet shows on the front of the fabric.
So this dice has 2 sides. One is a flat, the other one is not, as you see. So the eyelet side,
So
the
you
right
basically
side,
turn the eyelet upside down.
like this, and put on the flat side of the dice, right?
Yeah. And then squeeze.
And then just squeeze.
And it's done.
Done. And it's beautiful.
Beautiful. So now we're going to set the 4-part snaps that come with the Bevy Interchangeable Pliers. Remember, they look like this. So there are 2 parts that are exactly the same. It's this. It has pins sticking out of it, and those pins will attach into these parts of the snap. There's one part of the snap that goes out. We could call that the male side, and one part of the snap that has a hole. We could call that the female side. So the parts with pins get set into this side of the die head, which will be attached to our pliers. They get set into this side of the die head, which is, it's kind of has a point in it. It's kind of like an inverse mountain shape. And then this other side has like a deep well shape. And that is the side that you use with these 2 pieces right here.
The first we need to change the dice. Before that, again, we should push it down the pliers and unlock the pliers like this. Then unscrew the dice which we used before. And then unscrew that one from here.
It doesn't matter at all which side of the die goes on which side of the plier. It works the same either, no matter which side is on which.
Yeah. Then you're gonna use this piece of leather, but you can use the fabric again or whatever you want. So.
And take the side that has the pins sticking out and put it down into the part of the die that has the sort of cone shape.
And then flip it down and take a female side.
The male side.
Male side, yeah.
And put it with the sticky outy part facing into the pliers.
And push it a little bit down like this.
Then it will stay.
Yeah, as you see, it stays. So then we're gonna take leather and squeeze it
Yeah.
like this. Done. One side is ready. So same with second side. We're gonna take again a ring side. And push
Putting the
it
pointy
down.
parts out.
Yeah, like this. And then female side. The female side, like if you will not put in the right way, it's not gonna hold. As you see, it doesn't hold.
It doesn't stay.
It doesn't stay, yeah. So we should flip it and push it down. Now it stays. As you see, it holds. So let's do the same with second side. Let's squeeze it again, and it's ready. So it's easy to squeeze. It's not necessary to be so strong. So as you see, done. It's beautiful.
Excellent.